So we are here in Los Angeles and we are at the Hollywood Hotel, and it's been a long drive, it's been a long day, and I'm getting a beer and April is getting her wine, and it's actually really nice. The weather is gorgeous. That building rocks. And I thought to myself, if ever there was going to be a big wave that comes, it'll come while I'm here, and it'll be coming from right over here. So anyway, sweet sounds of traffic. We are in LA for Raw Artists, Raw Natural Born Artists award show for tomorrow night, and we are going to get booked up tonight and tomorrow. So, well, hope you guys have a great night for a Saturday night, and stay tuned because there will be more.